look the other way, walk backwards, now! Interlock your hands behind your head.
Walk straight back, keep going.
On October 9th, 2023, Palm Beach, Florida, officers responded to a theft at a beauty store where thieves had stolen over $13,000 worth of luxury perfume. But what the thieves didn't realize was that due to recent thefts, the cosmetics had a secret GPS tracker inside, which led police straight to a street corner in Boca Raton. Here's what happened next.
Speed! High bench speed! Back to your car. Back here. Right. Garvey, you got sides?
Now.
Garvey's got call-outs! Garvey has call-outs!
Lower down your windows. Lower down your windows. Come on out. Come on out. Walk back.
Walk to me! Look the other way, walk backwards, now!
Walk back. One at a time. Stay in the fucking car. Walk back, man. Walk back. Walk back.
All the way back, all the way back. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming.
Interlock your hands behind your head.
Driver, going out.
Go.
Turn around. Turn around. Walk back.
Right there.
Against the car. Separate your feet.
Is there anybody else in the car? How many people?
That's it right there.
You and her only? Nobody else? Does she have any weapons?
Come to your right! Come to your right!
Keep
walking backwards.
Walk straight back. Keep going. 2 steps to your right. 2 steps to your right.
Keep coming back. Keep coming
Walk
back.
backwards.
Keep coming back. Keep coming back.
Cover up. Anybody else? They said nobody else.
Yeah, I'm trying to get these stuff actually very well. The 10 from my front seat clear at the moment. Please make sure nothing else. I will stand by for a second. Driver, passenger, stay somewhere else in your car.
Gonzo? Gonzo, open your car!
Hey, Gonzo, unlock your car.
Nobody else is in the vehicle?
Stand by over here to clear. Yep. We got a shit ton of cars in the backdrop, so we're just gonna try to go from the side. We got a lot of backdrop, so we're gonna have to go side. And keep your gun pointed down. Gun down. Clear. Turn the engine off. Hey, we're gonna try to pull all of our cars into the right lane to open up traffic.
Vehicle is clear 2 to 3. Open up left-bound traffic to left traffic.
Yeah. Pull it over. Just put it right in there.
Hey.
You want to pull it in there? We can't move it? Yeah. All right.
I know. I'm not gonna close it all the way.
We'll open up blades, one unacceptable wreck, one road blocked where the vehicle is, and we'll coordinate with folks up here.
How you say your first name again, sweetheart?
Aniqua.
Alright. I'm gonna read you Miranda, alright? Be honest, sweetheart. Let's not go through a bunch of foolishness and try to, it is what it is. Today is done. Let's try to figure out how we can move forward from there. Alright? Fair? How old are you? 23. Alright. Okay. Is that your car? It's your mom's name. It's in your mom's name? Who drives it mostly? Both of you? Okay. What's your mom's name? Alright, I'm gonna just ask you to speak up a little bit. I could barely hear you. Okay.
Antoinette Jones.
Antoinette Jones. All right. Where are you guys coming from today?
From Pompano, my boyfriend's house.
Came from Pompano in your boyfriend's house. Did you guys stop anywhere before, between there and here? Huh?
No.
No? All right. Huh?
I'm already going to jail.
You going to jail for what?
I don't know. You guys can tell me.
Huh? I'm gonna take your hair out your mouth. All right. All right. Just so we could wrap this up real quick. Man. Since if that's the way you want to play it, I'm trying to be nice because obviously, like I say, lying makes things worse, and it affects how I go about doing my business. Right? I don't like to be
So if I
lied to.
tell the truth, it's going to be different. I'm still going to get charged, right?
No, you're still gonna get charged. I'm not gonna lie to you about that. But about how it goes after that, things are different when you sit there and you could tell a judge or a state attorney, hey, you know what, this young lady, you know what, she might have made a mistake, but she owned up to a mistake, she was truthful, she was this and that, as opposed to, oh, you know what, she just is what it is, man. Y'all go ahead and do what y'all gotta do with her, because I don't have anything to say. She just sat there and just, so run me through today. I can't let you speak to her right now while we're out here, but I will definitely make a phone call for you once we clear the scene. But I can't let you talk to her while we're out here. I'll take the number and I'll give her a call for you and I'll let her know.
I just want to ask her something before I even...
Yeah, I'm sorry, I can't do that right now while we're out here. All right, so let's try to clean this up while we got a chance right here. So, run me through today. Before all this started, where were we coming from?
It's a chance to go explore the city.
Alright, after boyfriend house, where did you go? Is that okay? Alright, well let's just start from Deerfield Mall then. Let's just start from Deerfield Mall. I understand it. Listen, self-preservation, right? You know what I mean by self-preservation? Alright, self-preservation is the same situation I just gave you with the kid, right? Because the kid already knows they're gonna get in trouble, so they're trying to save themselves. So they figure the best way to try to save myself is to lie about it, right? That's self-preservation.
I'd rather be quiet because I don't know what y'all gonna go about it. Y'all might go on my word. I don't know.
Alright, let's start there. Who was driving the car? Let's start with something even simpler. Huh? You were driving the car? Okay. Alright. The whole, let's say from, alright. At what point did you start driving the car?
Y'all follow me. When I follow y'all, follow me.
When we followed you, you said?
From when it was I-95?
I-95? So what, you got out of the middle of I-95, started driving the car? Or at what point did you start driving it? From where? Contrition is the biggest thing when it comes to moving forward in life. You know what I'm saying? Being able to say, hey, you know what? I messed up. This is what I did. I'm wrong. Let me toughen my punishment. Let me bear my cross and let me move on. You understand what I mean by that? And that's real. That ain't even like no cop speak. That's like just some human. That's just human shit, right? That's just in life. That's with relationships. That's with just anything in life. If you make a mistake in it, I mess up. I'm married. I mess up all the time, right? But I learn from those mistakes because I say, hey baby, I'm sorry, I did wrong, but I messed up, and I learn from it. Makes me a better husband. Makes me a better father, right? It also makes me a better person overall. You're not going to be a better person in life if you can't own up to your mistakes. Alright? Good luck to you, sweetheart. Alright? If you want to talk to me before y'all leave here, let me know.
Come on.
Find a little way to get a couple dollars and you figure it might be easy, simple. I ain't really hurting nobody, but still, at the end of the day, actually it does hurt somebody. Cause you know what? If I go to Ulta Beauty and try to buy some damn perfume, it's gonna be more expensive because now they jack their prices up because of all this missing stuff. You dig? But I read to you now. The only thing I ask for is honesty. That's it. I'm very simple. If you don't want to be honest with me, I'll leave you alone. You say like, Detective England, I'm good. Bye. But that's all I ask for is honesty. Alright? We already know. We here. We here. Alright? So let's just... Alright. Leslie's been trying to get us
Anything
those for the
gonna
longest.
poke me, stick me, prick me? No, nothing you're not supposed to have? Okay, just so you know, once you take it into jail, it becomes a felony
I might have
charge.
more, so I'll put it check.
Okay, so
Okay, I appreciate it.
I find it, it's not a big deal.
Don't
If they
take
find
it that-
it,
that
it's
gives-
a big deal. Got it?
You don't
Nothing?
get jealous.
Belly
Okay,
button
no.
rings, nipple rings? Okay, what about your tongue? Is your hair sewn in, or is it a wig? It's both. Okay.
While you're here? Oh, yeah, I'm gonna say the same thing. Alright, I'm gonna take them off, alright? Just be cool. I know, I'm just telling Jay, I gotta say it, you know?
I was a track star in high school, so I'm just throwing it out.
I wasn't. Alright, we're gonna take your jacket off so you can try to cool down a little bit, alright? Go ahead, pull it through. Alright, let me get the hand back.
Put your palms together. There you go.
Nah, just put a finger in there. That's our thing. Once we get a finger in there, we gotta keep it right there, alright?
Plenty of space. Alright, spread your feet for me nice and wide. I said, I'm not supposed to video. No, I'm not gonna touch you. No, just stand still, let me do my thing. People try to move and make spread your feet for me. It just makes it harder because I have a whole system. You grow up with the system, I have to redo it. Go turn around, face me. As far as your belly button ring goes, if they want to take it out, they can go ahead and try to attempt to. Just note that she's got a belly button ring.
Got it.
Around that, just like that.
So disappointed in you. Disappointed in you. Alright, what's mom's name and number?
Antoinette Jones. Antoinette Jones.
I'll call mama for you. Good luck to you. I hope it works out.
What you keep saying that like it's gonna go bad or something?
Nah, listen, man. Hey, I'm just being honest with you.
No, you keep saying like it's gonna go bad. Fall and talk. That's what you
No. I'm just saying I hope it works out for you. Hope it works out for you. That's it. I told her the same thing. I hope it works out for you. I need you in the workforce. I need you working. I need you paying into Social Security when I retire. I need that. All you do if you're in jail is costing me money. Then I gotta pay higher taxes, all that. I don't need that. You dig? I don't need that in my life. Alright? Huh? Oh, it's like that.
shit. It take that long to go get gas. They gotta go to a certain gas station. You gotta go to the police station.
We'll charge you back then. You know we gotta do reports on that every time, right?
My boyfriend's saying this to me.
So it's his fault?
This is I wish I could call him and cuss him out.
You should. You know how long those reports are for us? That's just terrible. The reports? Oh, that's like hours worth of paperwork for us.
That's why we still here.
Huh?
That's why we still here.
No, like when you take it, whether you get away or not, you know what I'm saying? But like if you take it and you get away, and we have to itemize all of those items and put them in a theft report, that literally makes me want to quit my job. I hate it. Quit doing that shit. He's got gas now, so now he can put your
You kicking me out?
Yes. Mine's more comfortable, right?
It's very so.
You're good. No, it's in the back one. It adds to the atmosphere, the ambiance.
Both women were charged with a felony count of grand theft between $10,000 and $20,000. About 5 months after this incident, both women were ordered to serve 2 years of state probation and to pay a combined $1,286 in court costs and fines. Their probation is set to end in 2026.